The namespace is used for logical grouping of functionalities. A namespace can include interfaces, classes, functions, and variables to support a single or group of related functionalities. A namespace can be created using the namespace keyword followed by the namespace name. All the interfaces, classes, etc. can be defined in the curly braces. I'm going to create a new file, messages.ts. I'm going to create a namespace at line number 1 saying namespace space messages, and within the open and closed curly braces I say export function say hi, which is going to return me a string value. At line number 3 I say return. At line number 6 I say export function say hello. It is also going to return me a string value. At line number 7 I say return hello. At line number 12 I say the namespace name dot say hello. Using the namespace name messages, I am accessing the say hello function. I am going to print that in the console. So I say console.log messages.say hello. I first compile my code by saying tsc space messages.ts. Once the file compile, I say node space messages. So I am seeing the output as hello. Let us see what is a nested namespace in TypeScript. At line number 3, I create one more namespace with name custom messages. At line number 4, I create a function say custom message, and I am exporting it. This message is also going to return a string value. I declare a msg variable by saying let msg be string, and it is going to concatenate the messages.sayHello return value and messages.sayHi's return value. Basically, I am going to return hello and hi. At line number 6, I say return msg. I export the custom messages namespace at line number 3. At line number 19, I say messages.custommessages.say custom message. Basically, I am calling the parent namespace.nestedNamespace.method. When I compile the code in the terminal and run the code by saying node space messages, I get the output hello and hi. In order to use namespace components at other places, first we need to include the namespace using the / reference syntax as shown here. After including the namespace file, Using the reference tag, we can access all the functionalities using the namespace. Let us see how to import the namespace into another file. I am going to remove the line number 18 and 19 and clear the terminal window by saying CLS. I create a new file with name myapp.ts. At line number 1, I am going to import the namespace messages by saying /reference, and inside the reference tag I give the path property as messages.ts. So I have included the namespace. When I click the namespace messages.ts, I will navigate to the messages.ts file. At line number 3, I say console.log messages.custom-messages.say custom message. In order to compile the namespace, use the following outfile command to generate a single .js file for a single namespace or multiple namespaces. In the above outfile options, file.js is a name and path of the JavaScript file, and file.ts is a namespace file name and the path. Let us now compile the namespace into a single file. In the terminal window, I say tsc space -outfile myapp.js space myapp.ts. Basically, I am going to create myapp.js file by compiling the myapp.ts file. I say node space myapp and I get the output hello and hi. In this video, we saw what is a namespace in TypeScript, how to create a namespace, how to import the namespace into another file, and how to compile the namespace.